Patiently Waiting is a painting that is basically a fairly simple subject matter of a lone catboat sitting in the low tide flats at Breakwater Beach on Cape Cod. That's the premise of it, and that's where it started. It's a boat that's beautiful. I'm sure the locals really have an understanding of the boat's history, who owns it. I don't know any of that. I just know that when I came across it, I had to paint it. And it's something that I sometimes term these boat portraits, so to speak. So, although it's not for anybody in particular, it's really just to show the beauty that I found in that scene at that time. That said, the title has a little bit of a meaning to it, in the sense of patiently waiting. This was produced in the time of isolation and that loneliness, that sort of that sense of waiting for the tide to turn, for things to change. That's in there. These elements are not they're not things that I really try to overtly convey in my paintings, but I do like to think that the work that I've done in January, February, March, and April into May and June of 2020, is reflective of a little bit of everything that's been going on. Of course, with the primary focus being on wanting to really just depict what's around us in a way that is both celebrating it and also acknowledging that we really shouldn't take it for granted, and be very cognizant of each other and of the things around us, the places around us that we love to visit and we love to see.